Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see how to generate random text values or random names and random date values. First we will see the random text values. There are three ways to generate random text values. The first one is by using the choose function. What does the choose function do? A choose function, depending on the index number 1 to 254, it returns the appropriate value which we have declared within the function. Let's see an example. I'm giving 3 as the index number and I'm going to pull out values this, and say this. Now because you have given 3, it should ideally return the value A5, and that is Dravid, right? Now this 3 is something has to be random because we are looking at how to randomly pick the text values. Let's replace this 3 with a randbetween function. Now what a randbetween function do? A randbetween function will return numerical value between the bottom value and the top value which we specify. Now here we have 12 different names, so we are going to give 1, 12. It says a value error because we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4. This can give up to 12. So ideally we need to declare all the values over here, or up to 12 values basically, because we have given 1 to 12 in the randbetween function. So let me quickly give all the values. And this should give us the value. Now if you want to generate it again, the shortcut is F9. So every time you hit F9, this is going to give you random numbers or random values. Okay. Now the second way is to use index function. Now index function basically returns the value of the intersection of the specified rows and columns. Let's see how we do index. First one, we are going to select the array, and then the row number is what we need to be dynamic, or we need to be random. So we use the again randbetween function, this time 1 to 12, and the number of columns or the number of iterations it should return is just 1, so we give 1. So we got it. Again hit F9 to generate it randomly. Now here we used index and randbetween. We can also use a randarray also. Index, the selection array, and randarray. Here I need to return 1 column, 1 row. The minimum value is going to be 1. Now what is the max? We can give 12 over here, 12 over here, or if you don't know the list is going to be large, you can introduce a count a function of this range. So count a will give you the count excluding the blank values. Now the rand a is done and the column is going to be 1. Now we got this. Now this is how you can create random text values. Now why do we use randarray? If you want to output multiple rows and multiple columns, say for example you do 2 over here, then you give 2 rows. You want multiple columns, say multiple columns. So that's the use of a randarray function. Now let's look at how to create random dates. So let's use a randbetween function. So as I told, we need to give the bottom and top value which will return a numerical value. Now let's use a date function within the randbetween. Let's say 2018, month is going to be 1, day is going to be 1. Between then and 2019, 12th month, 31st day, Between 1st of January 2018 and 31st of December 2019, it can generate any numerical value. That's what the rand between is going to return, only numerical value. All we need to do is change this into a long date or a short date, however we want, and same way hit F9 to generate the random dates. Don't worry about this here. All we need to do is adjust the width of the column. That's it. I hope you like this short video on how to generate random values, both text and the date, by using 3 or 4 different ways. Please stay tuned. If you like the video, share this. Stay tuned for other videos on Excel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.